Panguva ine zvinzi kumagumo kune nyaya kune kwakunzi nhau yebreakthrough yakaitika kuna Brigadier General Fidelis Monda anozikanwa kuti is a presidential guide. Panguva ine kuti anongosvika achizongopinda muofisi make achigona panguva rine office table nechiya zvimwe zvese zvake zvanga zvirimo zvarova pasi zvosvimudza maspeculations nemasuspicions. Panguva ine kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina panapa topinda mukozo wambiranyora chiti the breaking news reported by TNM on 26 May 2025, Brigadier General Fidelis Monda, the presidential guard commander, walked into a clean office with only his desk and a chair where he sits on. There was a break-in, files, documents, family pictures, ornaments, historic pictures of himself taken during the war or the liberation, pictures of his service history, accolades, every picture frame and the decoration in the office all gone without a trace. The background: Fidelis Monda is behind unconstitutional protection of Zvigananda, the likes of KUTYA, etc. He has been supplying them with the armed presidential guard as if it is his private company. And those who follow Comrade Bombshell Geza will remember him saying Brigadier General Monda was receiving $25,000 a month from Zvigananda on his video titled Generals for Sale. Currently, Brigadier Monda was behind the KUTYA campaign and the Masvingo address of Young Women for ED. His wife was the chief coordinator of KUTYA Masvingo event styled Land Tenure Implementation Initiative. Brigadier General Monda's office is inside the Dzivarasekwa Barracks and you pass through several boom gates to get to it. How did this happen? Kumagumo kune nyaya. Who broke into the office of the most powerful man in the land? Who has such powers? Are they criminals or foes? Is it a warning or a signal? I leave it to you decide. Mashuka mdanyo kwa Lin M. But where is Comrade Bombshell Geza? Tomaswaruya panguva ine achibvunzwa wananyasi kuona kuti aiwa ofisi yake inozozikanwa kuti iri mumabarracks and unopfuura security checks akawandisa nemaboom gates kuti usvike muoffice make. But now kunoonekwa kunzi kunyange zvakadaro they managed kuti vaende vachinotora zvese zvanga zvirimo. Vanhu vari kunzwa kuti is it a signal or is a warning ari kupiwa? Embodze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvina kumessage yemedu dzemafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.